Hi, I am Miss Rebecca and I am teaching the grade 1B class. We are learning about how we express ourselves. Our central idea is that imagination is a powerful tool and that we can use this to problem solve in our classroom. Our first big problem was our snack time problem. The students learned that we had a new snack time at canteen, and we talked about why it would be a good idea for us to make an essential agreement. The students created 9 elements and then followed that the next couple weeks. We also talked about what is healthy food eating. We compared the Thai national flag to the Canadian national flag, and we also created our own. The parents also had a discussion and were able to talk about their snack time problem. We continued learning about our imagination through games at recess time, as well as in the classroom, to show that we value our ideas and our creativity, and how that shows through journals, through books, and through our projects. Then we decided to take a look at character traits. We were learning about King Rama IX in our photo gallery. We did a classroom activity where the students looked at photos of him with people, with pictures, with things that he liked and projects that he created. He used his imagination, his skills, his caring, his perspective, and his communication to create all these many projects to help benefit Thailand.
I saw a picture of the queen and this picture. I saw this picture.
Why did you draw it?
Because I want to draw it because I like it.
Oh.
That's why I want to draw it. So this picture is the king. This is the queen. This is the king have a dog.
The king has a dog?
This picture because the queen is very nice and King Rama IX is very nice.
We continued learning about character traits in English, with stories, with looking at characters about who they are, and then we went into drama and talked about characters in stories such as fables. The kids then created their own storyboard and made a play with a group and talked about who they are as a character on the back of their board. Our last part was going to the Golden Jubilee Museum. We looked there to see the other projects the king has created, using these skills and using his imagination to help Thailand. We went and saw the farm today, which was our sufficiency economy that has helped Thailand throughout the years continue growing their economy and using living things such as plants, seeds, farming.
เมี่ยงคำเป็นอาหารประเภทหนึ่งครับจะใส่สมุนไพรใส่ถั่วใส่มะนาวต่อให้เพื่อนกลิ่นเขาเป็นไงลูกเหมือนช็อกโกแลตเผ็ดพอเราดมเรารู้สึกเลยว่ามันจะเผ็ดใช่ไหมกลิ่นเขาจะเผ็ดไม่เอาดีกว่าทำไมเดี๋ยวมันจะเผ็ดตามธรรมชาติได้ครับส่งไปให้เพื่อนข้างหลังด้วยส่งไปให้เพื่อนข้างหลังด้วยเผ็ดไม่ชอบเห็ดเอาไม่ต้องจะมีทั้งคนชอบและคนไม่ชอบนี่เห็ดอยู่ในนี้เชื่อไหมไม่เชื่ออันนี้เขาเรียกว่าก้อนเชื้อเห็ดหน้าตาเป็นแบบนี้นะเชื้อราที่มีโปรตีนสูงมากเหมาะสำหรับเด็กๆเวลาที่เรากำลังเจริญเติบโตที่เขาเรียกว่าเป็นความหลากหลายของพันธุกรรมพริกแค่ตัวเดียวชูก้าขึ้นมาสเต็ปที่ 2ย่อตัวสเต็ปที่ 3โยน
At the Golden Jubilee Museum, there is also an opportunity to look at many other projects that he did. The students watched a video and they looked at exhibits such as the rice fields and the airplane, or where they asked questions about how he would solve this problem and what he likes to do and what skills he had to know. He needed to know about agriculture, he needed to know about photography, he had to use his communication skills. All the students are learning about what that means and what that looks like and how they can include that in their project this term. And that way how we can express ourselves when we have the skills that we need to solve problems.